Welcome students. So today we are going to have a new poetry from our main course book, His First Flight. And in this poetry, what we are going to see and in what way it can be understood, these all things I am going to tell you. Let us start from the title. First of all, the title of the poetry is Fire and Ice, and it is written by very famous poet who is American poet Robert Frost. So Robert Frost is an American poet, and Fire and Ice, the poem which he has written, it is not in a simple way. Means we can say that Fire and Ice, this poem is symbolic poem. In this poem, metaphorically it is used. Metaphorically means the word which is written something, but it has different meaning. Means the sense behind the word is different. For example, fire and ice is written here, but fire and ice doesn't mean fire and ice, rather it is something else. So in this poetry, what Robert Frost is going to tell us, fire senses the desire, the passion which we do have, and ice means hatred. So in this poetry, what Robert Frost is talking, that this world may come to end because of these two things, fire and ice. As I already told that fire and ice doesn't mean fire and ice, but it has something else meaning, and it has metaphorically it is given here, and it can also be called a symbolic poem. So fire senses the passion which we do have, and ice means the hate. So these two things will come, will bring us to the end. Means the world may end because of hate and because of passion to do something. So here only two stanzas are given, and in the first stanza, what Robert Frost is going to tell us, he is talking about fire. So fire sense I already said, so I am not going to repeat again and again. So what he is going to say, that fire will bring this world to be ended. And what he is saying that the fire may bring us to the end. Means we are ending or the world is ending, both are same. And we can understand by an example. See, desire and the passion. Fire means desire and passion. The metaphoric word is used here. Metaphor is used here. Metaphor means instead of something. Means we are telling something, but its meaning is something. So fire means a desire which we do keep to do something. So here we can take the example of Hitler. For example, Hitler was a very cruel person, and he has desire. What desire he was having? That he should be the king of the world. He should rule over the world. He should be the king. He should have that complete empire. So what he was always keeping in his mind, that one day I will be the king of the world. So for fulfilling his wish, fulfilling his passion, fulfilling his desire, he never worried about the lives. The people were dying. So here the word fire, which is used by our poet Robert Frost, he is saying that Hitler never thought about the life of the people, but he always wanted to fulfill his wishes, and therefore the poet is saying the fire will bring us to the end, or fire will end the world. Fire means the passion which we do have to do something, the desire which we have to do something. So in this way, in first stanza, Robert Frost is saying that because of fire the world will come to end. In the second stanza, he is taking ice as a word which means hatred. Hatred means when we hate from something, when we hate from someone, that will also what do? That will also bring the something to the end. And here the word ice is used here just for hatred. And Robert Frost in the second stanza is saying that because of ice, because of hatred, ice sense hatred, because of ice the world will come to end. And we can understand by an example. And what example we can say? Many countries have ruled over other countries. So we have seen earlier, nowadays that there are no kings, but earlier when the kings were there, they were just attacking on other king, and they were just trying to take their empire also. So here this was what? This was only hatred. So they were having something that we want to achieve something. Because we had hate for something, therefore only we have attacked. Means the king was thinking in the same way that we can be more powerful king by taking another country also. Earlier, as we can take example of our own country, that our country was ruled by Britishers. So they were also having hate for our country. So whenever one country is ruling over other country, they never like the countrymen. They will like or preference will be given only to their own country. So here he is taking the sense of eyes. Eyes means here hatred. So one man or one country has a hate for other country or other people, and because of that only Robert Frost is saying, because of fire and because of ice the world will come to end. Even the scientists are also saying that this thing, because scientists are talking in a general way that world may come to end because of fire and ice, because nowadays global warming is going on and we can see that ice is being melted, and because of ice melting we are in danger, and nowadays ozone layer is also damaged. So there is also one danger, that is direct sunrays will fall on the earth and it may be harmful for human. So scientists are talking in different way, and the Robert Frost is using fire and ice word as a metaphoric word, and he is explaining us something about that these things are dangerous for the world. We should have patience, but we should never think wrong for other. We should have patience. We should have something which we should have desire to achieve something, but not to give pain to others. And in this poetry, some words are also used here. Personification, we can see that personification is used to show the power, and alliteration, the repetition of the first word, it is also used here as a poetic symbol. And these words are very important. Sometimes in the question answer or extract it is asked. Personification and alliteration is used in this poetry, and full poem is based on metaphor. So these are the three figure of speech, we can call it. Figure of speech is used in this poetry, and it will be helpful for you when you are writing the answers of the question, especially when extract is asked. Out of 4 questions, 1 question is asked what figure of speech is used in this poetry or in this particular line. So alliteration, personification and metaphor is used in this poetry, and I hope this poetry is very clear to you. It is very easy, short and sweet poetry, and very simple to understand. Fire sense desire, passion, and ice sense the ice, we can say the hated or keeping wish to do something wrong for someone. So it is very easy to understand, and I hope you are very clear with this point, with these terms, and in what symbolic way it is expressed by the poet. And I hope you all are very clear, and you will be comfortable to write the answers of the questions. With this all, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.